Alright, hello guys and welcome to another video. I do have a tutorial on this look. It's using Yardie Cosmetics and I am blown away. Spoiler alert, if you haven't seen that video, I'm completely in love with everything that's on my face. Oh, and my foundation, I'm wearing Juvia's Place New Stick Foundations. Again, spoiler alert, I'm in love. I use a different color though than what I used in the initial video. In the review video, I used a different color. I can't remember the colors I used, but I did that for my Instagram, for my IGTV. I used those colors. The foundations I used, I recorded from IGTV. Anyway, so this video is about the 3 blenders or beauty sponges that I own, that I've experienced. The very first one I've ever gotten, I think it was Real Techniques, but I no longer use that one. Then I have the beauty blender. It's the black one, the professional one. Then I went ahead and I got me the Fenty sponge. Then I went ahead and I got me the Kim Kardashian beauty sponge. So these are the 3 sponges, right, or beauty sponges, and I want to give my take on them as a Jamaican, because I know all my Jamaican girls, you know, we constantly want to up our kit, you know, and introduce new stuff in our kit. But in my opinion, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The truth is, I think the very first beauty blender I owned was a beauty blender. But anyway, the very first beauty blender to come on the scene was the beauty blender. They started it, they originated it. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it, honey. Because this shape is this teardrop shape is the only shape that I've seen that does not have the amount of wear and tear that these have. These ones that kind of go up on an angle. Now, I love every single one of them, but my favorite one, it would have to be the beauty blender, only because of the wear and tear. Now this is the wear and tear of the, let me show you the beauty blender, right? It's just like staying there with foundation, but it's not breaking apart or nothing like that. The shape still retains, right? Fine. So the Fenty beauty one now, I really hope this focuses. I mean, it is ripping all over. And I use it just as how I would use my beauty. No, these rounded parts are not ripped at all. This stain, and I don't know why, but the rounded parts are not ripped. It's just the inside part, the straight part there, that's ripped. Same thing with the Kim Kardashian beauty sponge. Look at how much it's ripped. I love you, Papa. Look at how much it's ripped. It is ripped. It is ripped. And again, the part that's this part, the rounded part, is not ripped at all. So I don't know. And then whenever they get, you know, like when the beauty blender dries out, they get so stiff. That's how I know I need to change my beauty blender, because whenever they dry out, or my beauty sponge rather, whenever they dry out, they get so stiff. Like these two get a hella stiff when they're dried out, but when it is dry, it just like shrinks down, like, you know. But these two, they be dehydrated, they need some water, they need to soak in a bath or something. Like it gets dried out. So size wise, the Kim Kardashian beauty sponge gets bigger than the Fenty, and also the beauty blender, it gets bigger. And I have one in my kit, and I've only used that probably 3 or 4 times in my kit, because I'm redoing my kit, and it has these on it. It's ripping as well, and I really hope you guys are seeing the repetitiveness. Look at that. That's absolutely crazy. It's absolutely crazy, because I use it like this, you know, and because of that, like, foundation gets stained at the top here. For all of them. Even look at my Fenty one. The Fenty one, you see that brown spot, like the foundation stained the top, because this is how I use it. You know, I use it like that. So I mean, we just spend the sponges, they do everything. They do the same thing the other one does. My issue is the longevity and the wear and tear. And to be quite honest, like, the beauty blender is definitely a cut above the rest. I don't see myself working with beauty blender or bringing on their branded trips and all that, because I'm not blowing smoke up their butt, nor am I kissing anybody's behind. I'm just saying, I know it's the most expensive one. This is $20. I think the Fenty Beauty is $16, and the Kim Kardashian Beauty is $10, and I think the Real Techniques is probably $7 or $6. I may be mistaken. I haven't used that one in years. Look at me with my hair all combed. I'm so proud of myself. Anyway, yeah, so it does the same thing, and I still use this, but because I know the next time I wash it it's going to be ripped, I've just been using this one. I mean, you can choose who you want to support, because at this point in time in the makeup game, it's about who you want to support, and that's just the plain old fact. You don't like Kim Kardashian or the Kardashians or the Kardashian family, there's no way you're gonna buy this. You're not a Rihanna fan, you think she's some demonic person, you're not gonna get this. You don't want to buy the beauty, you know what, I'm gonna buy the beauty, you know I'm not gonna buy the beauty blender, it's way too expensive and it's just a sponge. Hell, I can use my dish sponge, cut it up all fashionly and use my dish sponge, honey. I can use my dishwasher sponge, honey. I mean, do whatever you want to do, support whoever you want to support, but I'm telling you right now, woman to woman, anyway to anyway, or woman to man, or woman to dog, or to cat, or to fish, or to bird, or to iguana. I'm not judging your pets. Snake, I'm not judging your pets. I'm just saying, from me to you, it has to be the beauty blender. The wear and tear on this is not bad at all. I never get rips in my beauty blender ever. I know I need to change it out when it starts going stiff, but these go way stiffer and drier and need to change out quicker than the beauty blender does. And I'm telling you, they originated it, man. It's like Fenty Beauty with the foundations. Like, they're the ones who came up with 40 something plus shades, and everybody's like 60, 70, maybe got 100 over here. It's like everybody's coming out with their own thing, but Fenty Beauty did that. Right, so I'm saying this to say, hands down, the beauty blender, guys. I mean, I would definitely repurchase all of them, but in terms of wearability, the beauty blender is definitely a cut above the rest because of the shape. This teardrop shape, ingenuity went into the shape, honey. Tests went into the shape. Like, this is the quintessential shape. Now, am I gonna be buying these again? Hell yeah, I love me Rihanna and I love me some Kim Kardashian beauty, honey. So yeah, I'm going to be repurchasing it. And then this is big, it covers a good amount of space. See, softer. This is softer than this, and this is softer than this, and it's in that order. So this is softer, this is softest, softer, softest. But this is basically, yeah, I'm basically done. I just really want to bring my little review to you guys with the beauty sponges that I've experienced. Also the wear and tear of these sponges, and the color really does matter as well, because these stain, and when they stain they look dirty. When this stain, it doesn't look that bad. And I feel like the black beauty blender is made differently, or a different material or whatever, or maybe it's the color from the pink beauty blender. The pink beauty blender, the wear and tear is the same. It's not going to be ripped up like these two, like the Fenty and the KKW, but it is definitely going to like dry up quickly like these two. But the black one, it does not give me that at all. I hands down love the black one way better, but I would get like all the color beauty blenders because they look cute. But functionability, being practical, it's definitely, this is what we're talking about for practicality, this right here. Yeah, but I'm still gonna be buying me some KKW and some Fenty Beauty. I'm just saying. But anyway, so this is it for my little video I wanted to review. I hope this was helpful. I really hope this was helpful to somebody, to a makeup artist, to a Jamaican, to an island girl out there who don't know which one to purchase. I don't want to buy and oh crap, I shouldn't have bought this one. I'm bringing this to you, but I'm just saying personally, I'm gonna be buying all three. Okay, I'm just saying. But practicality, wearability, durability, hands down the beauty blender Pro, the black one, the Pro. See? So that's basically it for this little video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.